You buy the cheap robot, then spend Tuesday rescuing it from cords. So the bargain becomes another chore, especially with hair, rugs, and dock bags. This countdown sorts the budget picks by layout, mess, and maintenance tolerance. Match the bot to your floors, your clutter habits, and the dock chores you'll actually tolerate. Let's move. Number 3. Eufy Auto-Empty C10. Want the cheapest path to self-emptying without buying a whole mop station? I'd pick this for basic scheduled vacuuming in a tidy home. The real appeal is the dock doing the dust bin chore for you. It also clears low furniture better than the others here, with 8.0 centimeters listed as its lowest height. That helps if your sofa gap is tight. But the bargain has a very specific catch. Its light-based obstacle handling wants clean floors before it runs. So cords, socks, and toy chaos can turn savings into babysitting. Skip it if you need mopping. Also skip it if your home never stays picked up before cleaning starts. Number 2. Dreame L10s Ultra. This is the pick if sticky hard floors bother you more than carpet grit. I choose it for a mostly hard floor layout where mopping automation saves real effort. Its wet setup is mopping only, so the whole system leans toward floor maintenance. The body lists 10.0 centimeters as its lowest clearance. That means it wants a little more furniture space than the C10. But the dock adds its own routine. Water tanks, mop pads, and drying steps are conveniences until you ignore them. It also trails the E20 as a pure vacuum choice. Skip it if pet hair, rugs, or carpet pickup matter more than automated mopping. Number 1. Eufy E20. For me, it's the one I'd buy for a budget home needing more than a roaming puck. It's best for mostly hard floors, daily debris, and quick manual cleanups between robot runs. The modular design is the reason it wins here. You can shift from robot vacuuming to handheld or stick cleanup instead of grabbing another machine. Its LiDAR setup also gives it the smartest navigation story in this shortlist. Clearance is 10.5 centimeters, so check low couches before you count on under furniture passes. Now the trade-off is simple. It doesn't mop, and the dock bags are small enough to watch. Skip it if you want wet cleaning or a HEPA-listed filter. Pick the C10 if self-emptying is the goal and your floors stay clear. Pick the Dreame if hard floor mopping matters most. Pick the E20 if you want the best budget balance, plus manual cleanup for bigger messes. Before buying, measure couch clearance, check threshold lips, and price the bags or mop parts. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. Then be honest about clutter, because robots punish wishful thinking. So the C10 is the cheap self-empty play. The Dreame is the mopping compromise. The E20 is my budget pick for the most flexible cleanup workflow. Links are in the description.